God, Big Jimmy just took out that.
Gus, are you supposed to be out of your bed?
Tower.
Are you supposed to be out of your bed? Are you supposed to be out of your bed? Get in your bed. Get in your bed.
Mom,
Good boy.
drop my
I know.
phone. Oh, stop. Okay.
You gonna lay down? Are you gonna lay down? You gonna lay down? Are you done? Are you gonna lay down? Gus? No. Hey, get back in that bed. Get back in that bed. Get in that bed. Get in that bed. Get in that bed. Good boy. Good boy. You gonna stay in bed? Oh, get in that bed. Hey. You gonna lay down now? Are you done? Get in your bed. You better be quiet. Dad's gonna come down. Are you gonna stay in bed now? Stay in bed. Good boy. Good boy.